Hello, good evening all. Today we're going to be putting together a nebulizer, and from what I know, I don't have a clue how it goes together, but we'll see how we get on anyway. So you start off with this, and how do you plug this in? You don't know, no. But I have no idea how to plug this in either. Matthew, you have any idea?
No.
Oh, alright, so what happens is this goes in here, right? You plug that in, you take off all this and you plug her into the wall. So, do that, innit? And she goes into the wall. And she's... Oh, Jesus. Yeah, she's on now, yeah. So what you then have to do is... No. You have to get this contraption here. See? And you plug it in here. That's step one. What you then do is you plug this in here. Face it away from you. I think that does something. And you then have to... That wasn't meant to happen. Oh boy, we're in a pickle now. Is it still recording?
You're actually funny, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not liking that. Because no one else has put humour in this house, in this group chat.
Like, I don't know how this is meant to go into, like. Oh, here, I'm breaking every part of it now. Alright. We'll say...
Nebuliser. Yeah.
Is it still recording? Alright, right, grand, yeah. What you do is you get this, right? Now I broke it, but this is meant to slot in here. So that's grand. And then you get one of these things, right? I think. Yeah, you get one of these, right? And you plug it in here. So what's then going to happen is, you see, you didn't have to put that on. I could go, but you don't need that. All I need is this thing to pop in here, right? Over your head. Yeah, and then you go, hold on, you have to turn it on too.
Okay, right. Kieran did it, so it can't be too hard. Take this. Plug it in here. Take. Okay. But wait, what goes there? Does this go here? No, hardly.
Where the fuck's the sugar?
What goes on this thing? No.
Say it to me again, Matty, I'll stab your face.
What?
Oh,
Yeah, you dropped your face.
okay.
Yeah, you dropped your face. Oh, shit. Is this on video now? Yeah.
You found her.
Oh, you got it.
Is there actually? Jesus Christ.
Can I do it next, Bob?
Yes.
But it's Matty's brother.
And
Can I do it next, man?
that's really weird. How do you know if it's working? I don't think it's working. Oh well, that's it.
So I place this here, maybe? No, I don't. That goes in there. Then I place this in here, maybe. I guess we do. But put this yoke on. I suppose we don't want to strap one of these on, will we? We will. We'll strap one of these on all together to and then put it around your hood. Take it into let you. Oh, Jesus! Hi guys, welcome to another video of Asthma with Colin. First of all, now, down to business. So, here we've got the asthma device. I believe you'll find stick in. Oh. This, I believe you'll find, goes up in here. We must find out later on with the use of the masking device. Give it a bit of a twist in, vital to the use, which helps to solve the asthma problems. Oh, if you look very closely, you'll find I'm actually putting this over my face with the use of the on button. See here? And that's all for today. Please do listen in again. Hello, my name is Ian Collins, and today we're going to be showcasing the Omron asthma device. I'm going to be first of all showcasing how to put it on and how to operate the device. So first of all, you stick the suction cup into the operating device using the quick suction cup. Second of all, you plant the face mask onto the top using the quick headband attach.
Give me alcohol.
Using the quick headband attached, you can easily wrap the device around your head. Then you turn it on by pressing the on button. That's all for today.
Up, Kiwan! Hey, you don't leave here. What that was, but I was bed fine.
Maddie.
Yeah. 3 days, man.
Put it in here then.
No, listen back. We're done. That's good.